Hi, welcome to TeckWrap channel. I'm Glory and in today's video we're going to be making a window Signage decal using this 001 vinyl. This one is the 001 glossy permanent adhesive vinyl. These are some of the colors that you can find on this cheap bag. This vinyl has a smooth, shiny finish and it comes with a protective sheet that must be removed before cutting. It's impressively durable, easy to cut and weed, strong, water resistant, and is ideal for decals, wall and window graphics, signage, banner art, scrapbooking, home decor, laptop skins, drinkware decoration, and more. With anything else to say, let's get started. For this project, I'm going to be using the color white. I'm here on Stylus Studio and I'm going to be doing the design for the Signage. So I'm going to add some text because I'm going to do like our Signage for a business. So I'm going to do that. And then we're going to send to cut. Now that I have all arranged, I'm going to change the font. Now that I have my design ready, I'm going to group all of the parts of the design and I'm going to send to cut. I'm going to choose the option of vinyl TeckWrap for this type of vinyl, and the settings that TeckWrap suggests are force 20, speed 4, and the blade depth 3. Now that I have my design here, I'm going to do the weeding process. Now let's place our decal on the window. If you liked today's project, leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one. Bye!